charger that can charge 40% faster than a normal standard charging, fully adjustable, quick release, and can be extended up to 20 centimeters. Now introducing this new Iottie One Touch 4. This wireless charger said it can charge 40% faster than a normal wireless charger. In this video, I'm gonna do a quick unboxing and a review about this product, and I've been using this for the last 6 months. We'll see this in the next second. This wireless charger is designed for car and desktop use and fit most wireless charger compatible phone up to 9.5 centimeters, such as iPhone 8, X, Samsung S6 Edge and above, Note 8 and the latest Samsung Galaxy Note 9. This stand also good to use in the office since I prefer the vertical style wireless charger, so I can use the phone while charging. Within the box comes with this installation manual, and this manual showing you need to ensure to put your phone in the middle for optimized charging. The thing I love about this is this quick release button for the easy clip on and off and adjustable bottom part. This also comes with this micro USB cable and fast car charger adapter. For most modern car, you might have this USB input, but I do recommend using this adapter since this had 2 amps power output, so you get a maximum fast charging, and this set can provide up to 40% faster charging for fast charger compatible phone. The bottom part is made from this hard reusable plastic glue and this dashboard pad on. So if you're using in your car, make sure you use this extra add-on to avoid breaking your dashboard, especially in summertime when the temperature can reach more than 40 degrees inside your car. The plastic can melt and ruin your whole dashboard. Here I'm trying to stick on my table without the dashpad, and it's really hard to take it off, so it will melt and stick inside your car and your dash will be a complete mess. The installation is pretty straightforward. You need to stick to the handle and screw the back part and you're good to go. There's 2 adjustable screws so you can control the length to be closer and better view. The other is the rotatable part that you can go up to 220-degree arc, so this can be adjusted any way you like. Next, I'm gonna test this inside the car. Even with the out-of-box Defender, I still can get my phone charged without any delay. The speed also charges like a normal charger and the fast charging notification is on. So this Iottie works really well for you who are looking for a wireless charger inside the car or in your desk. In this video, I forget to use the dashpad, and guess what? It's a nightmare to take it off, so please don't try this at home. So that's everything about the unboxing thing. Now in my personal opinion, after 6 months of use, I found this wireless charger is a pretty nice to have. Why? Because it's had a quick release. When you get on your car, you just plug it in and you take it off very easily. The only downside though, if you're an Uber driver or using your phone as a GPS using Google Maps or Waze, this will overheat your phone really quick and can only last roughly around 30 minutes, and that's just about it, and your phone will overheat. So if you're using this as a GPS and you want to charge your phone, I suggest you turn off the fast wireless charging option if you're using a Samsung S8 or S9 or Note 8 and Note 9. So for me, if you're using your phone while using your GPS, you can't use the wireless charger option, so you need to charge using your cable. But if you're using iPhone, I think it's not a big problem. Why? Because the iPhone doesn't have this quick wireless charging option. The wireless charger I found also pretty fast because I can charge up to 40% in the 30 minutes radius. But still, if you're using a cable charger, I found it's more faster than using any wireless charger available in the market. So also, if you're looking for this kind of product in Australia, you can check the link on the description below. And if you found this video is helpful, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. We'll see you in the next video.